can you do if your canvas get slashed like this? Here is what you can do. I'm gonna show you how you can repair that easily. From previous video I showed you how to fix a dent on a canvas, and now today I will be showing you how to fix a cut or slash if your canvas is really damaged. Like us and subscribe down below and press the bell so that if we upload the video you will be the first to see it if we upload any new videos. Hello there, welcome again to my channel for tips and tricks for the artist. It's me, Jean Ryan again. Today I will be showing you how to fix a damaged canvas if your canvas gets slashed or cut. So let's say, for example, if something slash your canvas, that's an example. This or slash or something go through your canvas. As you can see there is a big hole there. There is a big hole there, you can see. So if that ever happens, don't worry, there is always a way to fix this. Today I will be showing you just few techniques, few tips and tricks how this can be done. So what you have to do, it's very simple. Everybody can do this. So when your canvas has this problem, you need to fix this. You need a few things. You need the glue. You need the glue. You need the strongest as you can find, and the fast drying as well. And you need the knife. You use a hair dryer. You need the hair dryer, and you need a brush, and you need a white gesso. For example, this is the gesso I'm using right now. So depends on the color of your canvas. If your canvas is black, you need the black gesso. If it's white, you need the white gesso. What you have to do, you take a knife and you look on the back, and you see on the back, you see your canvas is like this, and it goes all over to the back. So because you might not have a spare canvas, and the one you have is damaged, and you need to get it repaired. So we use what we have. So we use the same skin of canvas. You measure the rent of your damage, and then cut the piece from the back. After staples, because there is always staples on the back, cut the piece maybe a little bit longer than the cut you have, than the damage you have, and then cut it out. In my case, will it be this way? Will it be this? See, as you can see, this is longer than my damage on a canvas. So once you have this, what you need to do, you need to turn this piece here you have of canvas. You need to apply glue. You need to put glue on the side where there is no gesso, because this side, the front side, it's primed with gesso, ready to paint. So the other side, it's always blank, it's always empty. There is no gesso on the other side. So this side, that's the one we will use to patch them together, to put them together using a glue. Don't use the side with glue. We don't use the side with gesso, because it might peel off later. So use the side where there is no gesso. So what you do, you usually apply glue using a brush, because if you use a brush, you will make sure that you have the glue everywhere you want it, not one place, another place, because we need really to stick this together to make it strong as we had it before. So you apply glue. You can apply glue either to the piece you are going to use to repair your canvas, or you can apply it on your canvas. Always to do this, the canvas has to lie down. So let's go ahead and apply that glue, and see what will happen. Is we will apply glue to this or the canvas, and we stick them together. This front face has to face down, because we repair the canvas from back, not from front. So it has to lie down, and after you apply glue with patch, if you want to do it quicker, then you need to use a hair dryer. And then dry it faster. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how you apply that. As we said, we use glue on blank side, not the one which has the gesso. So in my case, I will put glue to both using brush. Just apply glue. Make sure you have enough glue, not too much and not too little. Just all around you damage. Just apply glue. Now, I finished to apply glue. Now, I said with the side which has no gesso. That's the side which gonna face where we put the glue. So, I'm gonna go ahead and just apply this over the damage. And make sure you stick it on properly. If it's too long, you can reduce it. Depends on the size. Depends on the size of your damage. So I applied the patch already, but it's not yet done. what you need to do, it's when you use the hair dryer. Then dry it from back. So now you get a hair dryer. Get the hair dryer and dry the canvas from back. Give it a good dry. The canvas has to lie down that way. Has to lie down flat. You need to dry it a little bit closer so that it will dry fully. So once the back is dry, then turn it around, and from the front, dry it a little bit, just to make sure that the whole thing is dry. Now, as you can see, the back, it's repaired and it's the same color. It's just we reverse the side, and the cut it's repaired, but we still have a few things to do with this line. But then it's patched and it's stretched. It's stretched back to normal, but not yet. We need to fill a little bit this line here. Now, as you can see, the back it's patched, it's fixed, and you can see the front. It's stretched. It's back to almost to normal. All what we need to do, we need now to use a gesso. Now, as you can see, the canvas is dry and stretched, and we still have to do a little bit more work to make sure that it looks okay. So this is the stage where we need to use a gesso. We're gonna apply some gesso on the top to match everything like it was before. So we will apply gesso on it with brush, just to make sure that everything is matched. So I get my this is my gesso. So now I will use gesso without water. Don't dilute gesso, just use it straightforward. As you can see, just fill that gap. Fill that gap. Just a tiny bit. Because the canvas was primed, or it was primer already on this canvas, so that's why after repair that damage, we have to put again the primer to stretch them together so that can look nice. So once you have the primer on, again, by the way, if you want, you can prime the whole canvas again if you wish to, but if you don't want to, you can just put primer around where you had the damage and just stretch it properly, you know. And then what you need to do, it's just to dry it again. Dry the front face, you know. So So once it's dry, then your canvas it's done, it's repaired and ready to go. Either you want to paint something on it or you want to use it something else. So that's the basic way how you can repair your canvas. That's the basic way how to repair canvas in a quick way. And if you like the video, please subscribe down below, like us and share, and give us a comment. We would like to hear from you as well.